Hello, You Shine crew. How is everyone doing today? This is Jen, and I am making this video today to show you all my new website, the youshinejewelry.com website, what I've done to it, how I've updated things, and I wanted to walk you through the website, show you how it works, how you can purchase jewelry straight from there. So this should be great for you guys. No more waiting for me to go live, okay? So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you that again. Hopefully you guys are all having a wonderful day. I'm going to get my web page here pulled up really quick so I can show you. So again, up in the URL bar, you're just going to type in youshinejewelry.com. This used to take you to like this landing page where you would click on shop now and it would take you to my paparazzi website. You can still get to my regular paparazzi website by clicking right here on the Shop My Paparazzi Accessories website, just so you know. I wanted to show you that first. So you can click there and still get to the Paparazzi Accessories website. This right here is my new website that I've created. This is the youshinejewelry.com website. As you can see, I've kept it really clean. Not a lot of graphics, not a lot of colors. Just really wanted the jewelry to be the showcase, you guys, to make it not too confusing. So up here in the top corner here, I've got the awesome logo that my son created for me. Super duper, I'm excited about that. So thank you to my son for that, helping me out with that. And up top here, you can see we've got this menu, which is just, again, just really clean, just the words for you to click on. We've got our home page, which we're on right now. Join my team will take you to my paparazzi website where it teaches you or explains to you more about becoming a paparazzi consultant. Coming soon. This is really cool. If you click on coming soon, it will show you all the jewelry that I have coming to me. It's not quite yet arrived to me yet, but I paid for it. It's on its way to me. You can see that. We've got new arrivals. You can see on this front page here, I've featured new arrivals. These are pieces that I do actually have in my possession. They're my newest pieces, you guys. So new arrivals, we've got necklaces, earrings, bracelets and snap wraps, rings, the Uniquely Urban line, Blockbuster, Starlet, Shimmer Kids Jewelry, Z Collection, and then of course, like I said before, here is the Shop My Paparazzi Accessories website. I'm going to click on this really quick so you all can see how it brings you to my regular paparazzi website where you can still go and look at things. So here it is. If you click on shop up top here, it will take you to all the jewelry that paparazzi has, all the different products, and you can just look through stuff. So really, really cool. And up top here is where you can navigate through that. If you wanted to look at just bracelets, you can click on bracelets and you can shop straight from here as well. So again, everything's just $5. Shipping from paparazzi to you is $5.95 flat rate. But again, really cute. If you hover over these, it shows you the model wearing the picture. So this is the paparazzi accessories, my paparazzi accessories website, okay? So let's go back to my other website, the youshinejewelry.com, my new one that I want to show you. So this I wanted to create to show you what I have on hand, okay? I wanted to show you all the jewelry that I have personally in stock. So again, like I said, this cover page, this front page here is going to feature the new arrivals. So if you scroll down, if you click on one, we'll just click on this one for example, it will bring you to another page with that piece here. And then if you hover over the picture, it will show you, there we go, a close-up of that piece. So you can see those beads closer up. And then if you pull your cursor away, it will kind of bounce it back to the regular picture. Here, if you click down here, it will show you the model and her wearing it so you can see where it lays on the body. And then, of course, here's another picture showing you the earrings that go with it. Because remember, all paparazzi necklaces come with a free pair of earrings. So it gives you the name of it, the color. Again, everything is only $5. Pretty exciting. And then here is where you would add it to your cart if you wanted to purchase that. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that so I can show you how this works. So when you click on add it to your cart, it's going to automatically bring you to your cart, okay? So here it shows you your products that you have in your cart, gives you your subtotal, but let's say you're not done. You're like, I want to keep shopping. So here's where you would go back up top here. You could click on continue shopping. What it will do is I'll show you. It'll bring you to a list of all the products, okay? So here it brings you to all the products and it's sorting them alphabetically A to Z, okay? So you could do that. You can use this little search, little magnifying glass up here, and you could search. You can say, I want to see everything that's gold in earrings, gold earrings. And if you click gold earrings and hit enter, it'll bring you to the gold earrings that I have, okay? So there's that. Otherwise, you can go back home and then you can continue to shop. You can look at my new arrivals right here on the front page. If you were to scroll down here, we've got a little these little boxes with all the different collections that you can click on too, just easy to click on. The Coming Soon album, I wanted to show you that really quick. So if you click on Coming Soon either here or up top in the menu, this again are all pieces that I have ordered, I have paid for them, and they are on their way to me. So this gives you an opportunity to go ahead and purchase these pieces. Now, as you'll see, I'll show you, for example, if I click on this first one. This one I just ordered yesterday, so it'll bring it up again. And here's your name, tells you the color, a little bit of a description of it. Down here, it tells you a more detailed description down here at the bottom. And then it also tells you the order date right here. It says ordered 7/8/19. So what you can expect in about 7 to 10 days from that order date that I should receive it, and then it will get shipped to you, or I will message you if you're a local pickup. So here again, if you hover over it, it will show you a close-up of this. This is a really cute choker that I just ordered yesterday. And again, here's a picture of the model wearing it. And again, you can hover over it. It'll pop it up close up. And again, you can just add it to cart if you want to do that. So here we go. It pops you back to your cart. If you decide, okay, I'm all done, I want to go ahead and check out now. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to walk you through the checkout process, you guys. So if I scroll down a little bit here, it gives me my subtotal, 10 bucks. I'm going to go ahead and check out. There's options down here for PayPal and Google Pay. You can click on those and do it that way if you feel like you'd like to. Otherwise, you can go here and it will bring you to this checkout process, okay? And this is where you would choose all of your shipping and that kind of thing. So I've gone ahead and I've entered in, because I've walked through this video here a couple times, so I've had to stop recording and restart just because I had a couple mess ups. So right now it does have all of my information. I'm going to show you really quick. If I go back to information here, I'm going to show you, yes, it'll bring you to this page, okay? It's all filled in for me, but it will be blank for you. There won't be any information in here for you. But this is where you would put in all of your contact information, your email address, your name, your shipping address, and then you would continue to shipping method. So you click on that. And then here is where you're going to choose whether you're a local pickup, which is free, of course, or if it's flat rate shipping for $4. My shipping is $4. If your order is $100 or more, then you get free shipping. Okay, just so you know that. So the shipping is $4 flat rate unless your order is $100 or more, and then you would get free shipping. So here's where you would click on that. And then you would go ahead, as soon as you choose that, so I'm going to go ahead and choose local pickup, and then you would continue to payment method. So we're clicking on that. So here is where it would ask you for your information, okay? So here is where you would put in your credit card information and those kind of details, okay? This is a secure checkout. It says all transactions are secure and encrypted, so it is secure for you guys. So this is a really nice, quick, easy way for you guys to shop with me, to see what I have on hand, to even see what I've just recently ordered. You can add it to your cart. You can go ahead and pay for it. And then, like I said, as soon as it comes in, if you're a local pickup, I'll message you and let you know. And if I ship to you, then as soon as it comes in, I get it wrapped up and ship it out to you ASAP. So again, here's where all your information is. Here's where you put in your credit card information, your billing address, and then if you wanted to save your information for a faster checkout next time, you could do that. And then, of course, you click on your Pay Now button, and then it would pay for it. So, and then I would get an alert that you've just made a purchase, and all that good stuff. So that is how that works. If like you're in this spot right here, and you're like, oh shoot, I forgot, I wanted to go look at something else. So then you could pop right back here to where it says cart. If you click on that, It'll bring you back to your cart, which brings you back to the website. And then you could go ahead and keep shopping if you wanted to. If you're like, oh, I want to check out her earrings really quick, then you could go ahead and click on earrings, and it will bring you to earrings. So pretty cool. Really quick, I want to show you too, you can also filter it. So right now it's saying all products. If you push this little arrow down, here is all the different descriptive words that I have put in for different types of earrings, like dainty. Let's say you're like, I want to see what she has for dainty. And I may not have put this on everything that would apply for dainty, but at least something. So these are what I've put on for dainty earrings. So again, click on one so you can see it better. Pop it up for you. And again, you can hover over it. Hover over it. My computer's acting a little slow today. Sorry, you guys. So hover over it and it'll give you a little close-up of that so you can see it a little bit better and you can decide if you want to purchase it. But anyway, really great option for you guys to purchase jewelry with me. Just know that not everybody likes to buy jewelry the same way. Some people like the live videos. Some people like to shop my regular paparazzi website, which is right here, you guys. You can look at that. You can ask me questions, ask me if I still have if I have these pieces in stock. But now you can actually see what I have in stock by just going to the youshinejewelry.com website, and it will show you everything that I have in stock, and it will even show you everything that I have coming soon, which I'm really excited about as well. So that is how that works, you guys. Hopefully that makes sense. Like, I am always here to answer any questions for you guys. And I know, like I said, this is new, and I know sometimes new things are scary and different and can be hard for some people. So that's why I wanted to show you this today, walk you through this. And I am still adding stuff to this, you guys. I don't have absolutely everything that I have in stock in here yet. I've really been trying to focus on making sure that I have my newer pieces on here and the things that I have coming on here. And then all of my older pieces I am gradually adding on day by day. So hopefully I'm going to be getting done with that here soon, but it is a process. So thanks for bearing with me on that. Again, hopefully you are all having a wonderful day, and hopefully this makes sense, you guys. And I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So again, love you all, appreciate you all, and yeah, we'll be talking with you guys soon. So again, check out this website. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great rest of your day, all right? All right, take care, guys. Bye.